Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 87 GMC K1500 short box. Kind of been customized a little bit. Got the Chevy bow tie up front. Definitely got some hail on the hood. Hood's probably junk. Pretty dry old truck. Like there you got a little rust on that door. Fender's good. Rocker's good. And cab corner's good. Inside there is pretty good. Same deal. GMC truck, Chevy dash. They probably found a dash that was good out of a Chevrolet and found a parts pickup. And these are not probably original seats. These are out of 90s, or could be out of early 90s, mid 90s trucks. So kind of a project, driving project I call them. Some dings here. This side looks good. A little rip in the fender there. Chevy tailgate, so it's probably a Chevy box, I would guess. And it's not really rust. So kind of a custom short box, 4-wheel drive. It's a pretty solid old truck. This side all looks good. Said it's just painted in a flat black spray can. There you can see the runs. So driving project that seems to run and drive good. Fuel injected 350. 605-695-7391.